Hey everyone, Greg from CarID.com and welcome back to the shop. And in today's video, I have with me an off-roading accessory that I personally believe is a must-have for those of you that like to go wheeling. It comes from the team that has built their entire reputation for building quality off-road parts for the adventure-driven individual, and this is Westin's very own 9,500-pound winch with synthetic rope. So in this video, I'm going to cover every detail of this great winch from Westin, including its materials, construction, and of course, all the different ways it can help you improve your off-road trail driving. So here it is, guys, Westin's very own off-road winch, and to me, it's really no surprise to see this team over at Westin finally design their own winch. These guys have been building some serious off-road gear for 40 years, so now instead of buying your winch bumper from Westin and then your winch from somebody else, they now offer the complete package. So the winch that I have with me today is Westin's 9,500-pound off-road winch. This winch is a really great middle-of-the-road option for those of you out there that feel that 8,000 pounds isn't quite enough, but 10 to 12,000 pounds is a little bit overkill. Now, Westin constructs this winch using a combination of high-strength steel and aluminum, which creates an incredibly durable package. This winch is fully equipped to put in some real work pulling yourself or even a few friends out of trouble. And it's also IP67 waterproof rated, so you completely submerge this thing and still be confident that it's going to work. Now, when it comes to the actual pulling force, you're going to have a few different options to choose from. Now, the winch that I have with me today is equipped with their lighter and more durable synthetic rope with a haws fairlead. But if you want to go ahead and save a few bucks, you can always go with the very traditional steel cable and roller fairlead, which is still going to get the job done. But the actual pulling power is going to come from the 6.5 horsepower 12-volt series wound electric motor. This is going to provide more than enough pulling power to get your average vehicle out of some rough situations. And Westin also includes a corded remote with a very extended cable, so you can do all your pulling from inside of the cab out of harm's way. Now, moving on to the overall dimensions of this winch, it's actually a very pretty small package. This winch measures about 22 inches in length, 6.5 inches in width, and a little over 8 inches in height. So generally, you really shouldn't have too much trouble getting this to fit behind your average winch bumper. But to be completely sure that it will work, I would highly recommend either measuring the space on your winch plate or just going ahead and contacting the manufacturer of your bumper and provide them with all the dimensions to ensure that this winch is going to fit. Well, everyone, that's going to conclude my review today of Westin's 9,500-pound off-road winch. So if you're searching for a winch with stout pulling power that comes in a compact and durable package, head over to CarID.com right now to check out this fantastic off-road winch from Westin. And while you're there, take some time to sort through their long list of other amazing off-road parts and accessories. And as always, I'm Greg from CarID.com, and I will see you guys next time.